So this is the review of Asus x510U laptop, and it falls under the thin and lightweight category, and it has Windows 10 pre-installed. And the best selling thing of this laptop is it's lightweight and at this price along with the fingerprint. So let's get into the ports. On the right you can see that it has one power port, one USB, HDMI, USB type C, and the bottom two speakers, bottom firing speaker, and on the left you will find additional one pair of USB the card reader. So you can see that the glare in the camera is due to the textured design which Asus have patented with some of its ZenBook. Now let's open the laptop. One of the great things about this laptop is its hinge, and you don't need to use two hands to open this laptop. This was one of the features used by Asus for its marketing of this laptop. I don't really feel this that much important, but still this is a feature, so I just said it. Once you open the laptop, you can see that it has a very minimalistic keyboard design. Now this is the mouse along with the fingerprint embedded in the mouse pad, and you can see this screen is 15.6 inch diagonally. So this is a quick comparison between 15.6 inch laptop. So this is basically a 15.6 inch screen, diagonally is 15.6 inch screen, and I am going to keep it side by side to my Lenovo G5070. It's 2 years old laptop, but still this is heavy duty Lenovo G50, and 15.6 inch screen, and this is Asus. As you can see, both of them have same screen, but the size differs. So just this was for comparison. I will keep it aside. And if I'm comparing this to my Ultrabook, which is by HP, of course this is bigger than that and is heavier, but for the price range it is considerably light. So I will show you this bezel-less design of both my HP and this Asus. As you can see the difference, Asus has a bezel of 9.8mm and HP does it at the bezel of 4.9, and HP is more slimmer. HP has less number of ports, but HP price is more. I will keep it aside. Now let's try the first boot. Hang on, why it's not booting? Here, this was the video which I am making for unboxing. Let me go to the instructions. So manual says me to charge it. Charge before 3 hours. Let's charge it. I will just plug in the connector. Yeah, the light boots. I will turn off the light. Device is charging. Yeah, it has booted. basically I haven't used the keyboard, but yeah, there is considerable amount of palm rest. Yes, there is flex in this keyboard. It is made of complete plastic. Display angle seems to be alright. Let's tilt this display and check. It is an anti-glare display, as you can see. It's pretty